Hello, my name is Kelly Bluen. I am a certified Zentangle teacher. Welcome to my unboxing of the Mindful Mandalas Drawing Kit. The Mindful Mandalas Drawing Kit is part of my monthly subscription box series. So every month, my subscribers get a new box with new tools and new classes for the month. My subscription for the physical kit is currently closed. I have maxed out. I have no more openings currently, but I really am hoping to open more in the month of July. Okay, I do, however, have a digital subscription option through Patreon. And what that is $20 a month. It gets you access to the current classes plus all of the previous subscription box classes. Okay, no materials, but a material list and some other fun digital content items. Okay, so this is the Mindful Mandalas. Each of these kits are Zentangle inspired. So we're using the Zentangle method of drawing, but we're doing it on unique things and not just the traditional 3.5-inch paper tiles. So we're doing them on wood pieces or in little journals or on calendar pages. So many fun things. Okay, Mindful Mandalas, let's open this up and see what it looks like. If you are a subscriber, the first thing that you will see is an insert that just explains the kit and tells you where to go to get the videos. I don't have that in this box yet. So the insert that you would see would be right on top. All right, the first thing you're gonna see after the insert is a little bird card. So every month I try to include some sort of bird art. So this is a cute little bird. It says Mindful Mandalas, and he is made up of cute little mandalas. The reason the card is this size this month is because it can be used as a cover of your sketchbook, which I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so we can zoom out a little bit. All right, then you have this beautiful little envelope with a sticker, and because it's on a wax bag, you should be able to reuse the sticker. So that could go in your sketchbook if you would like. Okay, in here you have a little black sketchbook. I chose black because that is going to be the color of our larger sketchbook in here. And this little book is going to be something where we practice mandala shapes. We write down maybe some intentions, some of our thoughts, some of our, I don't know, whatever you feel like putting in here. But I really want it to be filled with mandala shapes and meanings as a little reference book that you can go back to over and over again. So the bird card that I created fits right on top. So you can simply glue this on your book if you would like. Otherwise, you can take your mandala sticker and you can put that on your book somewhere. These books can also be written on with a gold pen or a white pen, and you can decorate it yourself. Just a nice little sketchbook. Then you have a pencil, just a simple number 2 pencil, but it does have an eraser. And we're going to be using this pencil to draw our mandala grids and getting them ready to go each week. So that is why you have a pretty little pencil. Then you have a pen. So typically I give you Sakura Micron pens. Those are my favorite. I love them so much. But I also know that you probably already have a lot of them and you're going to be getting more. So for this month, since we're not using watercolor, we don't need this to be permanent ink. This is a Tombow mono drawing pen. It is water-based pigment ink, which means if it gets wet, it will run. But it is absolutely beautiful. It writes so smoothly. It is an 05, and I think you're going to love it. And Tombow is a wonderful, wonderful company that sells really cool art supplies. So we get a new pen. Then we have this little tiny little dangle here. This is going to be part of our sketchbook in another video. Oh, it matches my pencil. Then you get this lovely little mandala grid. So if you follow my mini mandala series, We start with something round like a penny and we just build our own grids and our own circles. But for this particular box, I wanted you to have a grid that you could use over and over again to create your circle templates before drawing in your patterns. So everybody gets one of these in the kit. And then you get, let me move this aside here. Then everyone's getting a sketchbook. Sketchbooks can be found anywhere. You do not need this particular sketchbook, but I love the size of it. I love that it has a little bookmark ribbon. It also closes with the elastic. And the pages on this one are 5.5 by 5.5. Your template is 6 inches. So it's going to be a little bit larger than the book, but we're not always going to use all of the circles, so it's okay. Let's take a moment to open this up. I don't mean to do it off camera, but if you are like me, I always love a new sketchbook. And these ones are so beautiful. Okay, and I love the cover. So I was also thinking your sticker, where did it go? Could go on your book if you would like. Okay, open it up. And it has 80 pages of wonderful drawing paper. Now, if you are left-handed, some of you don't love it when the spine is over here, this book can easily be turned this way and used as a flip book in this direction. That way, right-handed, left-handed, it all works. Okay, so sketchbook, stencil, mini sketchbook that we're going to keep our mandala information, your pen, your pencil, and your bird. So it is an amazing little kit, but if you missed out, if you are not part of my current subscription, it's okay. You can order these items anywhere. All you need is a sketchbook, a pen, a pencil, and these little templates are available online. They're available in craft stores. Very easy to get, okay? If you want to follow along with these videos and you don't have the kit, you will need either the kit or the subscription to Patreon. It is $20 to become a member, and that is how you get the classes. My classes are exclusive to digital and physical kit subscribers, except for May and October. Those videos are public for everyone. But all the rest of the months, they are exclusive just to subscribers. Okay, all right, I hope you love this kit. Videos will start soon, and I cannot wait to start drawing mandalas with all of you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.